What is up, guys? Jamaica Race Gamer here with another episode of GTA Online. Today again we're back with Franklin Stories, cause Franklin Stories just interesting and Franklin Stories just funny. So guys, before we do anything else, we could jump in at the shoutouts and the big up from the last Riddle. You understand? Yeah, the last Riddle. The answer to that was a ton. T-O-N, not N-O-T. Some people have put N-O-T. No, it's the other way around. Yeah? Alright, so first person who got it right was Viper_Stinger. Big up yourself. Next person was Icon Fax. Big up yourself. Next person was DJ Tev G. Big up yourself, Dan. Next person was Tyler Ricketts. Big up yourself. Next person was Raul. Big up yourself. Next person was Leonardo Newland. Big up yourself. But people, you know, say, I have to go show in the comment here, dog. The youth, him comment on the live, the most, big him up. The youth, him active in the comment section. But look when put for the answer at the Riddle I asked. The man put the answer to the Riddle. Truck or a trailer. Brother, how if it be truck or one trailer, dog? Man put truck or one trailer, dog. How if it be truck or one trailer? No ton, brother. Spell ton backwards. Spell not. You understand? Yeah. I have an extra phone today still, so just stay tuned for that. This is my new car. Let me know if you don't like the color or not. Me say in the comment section where them say put it in a white. No, white boring, dog. It was in white. Remember I said the car was in white. I change it from white. White boring, dada. Can't put it in a white. Think an next person. Really? Alright, I'm not kill her today. Really? I'll kill her. I'll kill her because you keep driving. You keep on driving. You should have stopped. When I realize say you're in a one collision, you have to stop. Hey! Hey! Look at the car on the brake. I was screaming so loud, man. Anyway. Oh, something going on here, so. What going on here, so? Something going on here, so. Until the zombie looking on you, man. Police are come. Alright, try cut out from them police, yeah. And go the next way. Come, hurry up and just leave. Lose me alone, man. Just leave me, man. I'm going where I go, man. Police are wicked, man. I go about my business. I don't want to leave me alone. Just leave me alone, man. Oh, don't turn. Don't turn. Can turn if you want now. You not catch me. Yeah, them gone. Alright. So, Riddle in the next one. And also, as you can see, my son play a next episode of Fortnite phone. Because I not play it. And also, in the last video, I forgot to tag Agseed name link in the description or the comment section. So look down below in this one, you're gonna see Agseed link. You just go over him channel and go show him some love. You understand? Tell him say JWG Nation sending big up my brother. Anyway, you stand up, you. Also, the free credit on the live. I'm gonna try and make it be as regular as possible. It's just a way of me saying thanks for using on a megabytes on the phone for watching my video them every day. Me know say it take a lot. It's not everybody have Wi-Fi or active Wi-Fi. Sometimes the neighbor them lock out out of the Wi-Fi thing. But yeah, I'm back in my old neighborhood. Let me see what I go on down here, so. My old yard. See what I go on in here. But my dirty auntie probably there. Cause right now.
Don't you step foot in this yard.
Why?
See it?
I'm a call
For what?
disloyalty, boy.
Disloyalty? What is you talking about?
Don't act
Oh,
like
this.
you don't know what it is, homeboy. Yo,
Lamar!
you ain't been to the set, ain't came to none of the meetings.
Hanging out with old man, ignoring your homies, acting all superior. Your mama will turn over in her grave, boy.
So you giving me a lecture about not being a good enough gangbanger?
Gangs is positive. That's all we got, my nigga. That's reality.
I want to change my life, dog.
About your crazy ass. Man, where Tanisha at?
She got more sense than to hang out with your sorry ass. You know you always been like this, boy. I say left, you say right. I say become a doctor. You say become a patient. I say Who is that?
Hello, Missy. Wow, Franklin.
What Trevor do ya?
Never told me that you had a sister.
I'm Denise, Franklin's housemaid.
And aunt, my mother's old dried up ass.
Shut the
sister.
fuck up.
Shut the fuck up!
Hey boy Trevor, what you do?
Here, darling. Why don't you go get yourself something nice, okay?
You see you love money? Look how you love money. Wrong money I take money from. Look on Trevor, look on Trevor. Trevor, move from my auntie.
Not expensive. You want to be a greedy fucking cow? Huh? No. Now get the fuck out of here, all right?
Me tell you.
Man, all this is sick.
Me tell you, say wrong money I take money from.
Here with the boys.
What?
I'm fucking new in town. I'm making friends, all right? Now let's party.
Look, I had plans on getting some rest until this clown and my aunt came and fucked that up.
My nigga, I just came over here to holler at you about the new thing.
Man, I said I'm tired, dog.
Fucking thing. I love things. I'm the king of things.
I ain't talking to you, homie.
Hey, let's go do something about the thing, okay?
What thing?
Talking about the little stretch thing, man.
Fucking beautiful. Perfect. It's a gangbang. Let's go.
The boy I idiot. Trevor, go where you go. See you make Trevor come jam and out. You chat too much, you know, boy Blamar. Sure.
Where's this thing happening?
You chat.
We shooting shit up, spraying some motherfuckers. I can drive by with the best of them.
Behave yourself, man. Lamar.
Got him.
Stress setter.
We buying weight, homie. Something that'll move us up the food chain, nigga, for real.
Not this real in this town, nigga.
Me know I know your drug dealing game no more, dog. Me pass them life to brother.
You got to speculate to accumulate.
Ooh, first rule of business. Hey, since we're out here banging, either you got some dust.
Alright, I go challenge myself not to crash by the time I reach. Which part I go now? I go challenge myself, don't crash in our next vehicle. That's my challenge.
Your favor, idiot.
I'm not far, so I can challenge myself a bit, yo. Going on the right side. Alright, now no crash. Yo, me tell I don't like Trevor, you know. Look which part him want, look which part him want come. Right down when I get to where the man must sell them weed and prostitution and bait things. You like down here, you know, dog.
This the homie house right here.
Hey, look, everybody be cool, man. Lamar about to do his thing, all right?
This not safe. This not safe. I'll chop there. Yo, this not safe.
Hey, be on point. This boy janky.
Open this.
Courier service. Package to collect.
You got the grip.
President.
Open this.
You like that, huh?
Dog, I see how the drug deal, brother. At the door.
Now we talking.
You know what me door and let me in, brother? Cokehead.
My throat getting numb already.
So we good, nigga, right? Well, let's go.
How about
Nope.
a taste?
No, man, we leave.
I want a taste of the other side of the brick.
Now you heard what your boy said. You're leaving.
Give me the back! Whoa.
What the
Whoa.
fuck?
Did we ask for a key or a fucking ounce?
Man, that's motherfucking drywall. Hey, we got some motherfucking
Trevor, you good, youth.
out here.
You can't fucking hustle a hustler!
Trevor, you good, youth. Look here, Trevor. Look at it. Oh, God, shoot out. Yeah, dead first. Yeah, dead second. Yeah, dead third. Chop, hold him. Hold him, chop. 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 Hold him, choppy. Where the gun, no money? Take some floor, the gun, brother. Kara, pull up. Why? Chop, where you there? Don't make the man them kill you in a chop. Shooting the man. One, yeah. Oh, wait. Ah! Help me! Duck. Oh, God, look how I got duck front of car. Me dead now. Lord God, me dead now. Don't shoot away. Lamar that. Yo, this thing I get joystick. No rocket launcher. Snipe them here, man. Cause them they far. I'm gonna go up this up. Whoa, enough people there. Enough people there for shoot, dog. Low. Trevor, do you have to do the man and shoot the people them, dog? You gotta come here on a bullet. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Yeah. Trevor, where you go, brother? Trevor not afraid of people, you know? Trevor not afraid of people. Trevor not afraid of people, dog. What's much man come from, dog? Oh, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. I'm dead, I'm dead. Ah, don't make him shoot you, this one man, so. Yes, thank you, Lamar. I'll do what you call to all of this. One man left, where him there? No, one man. I know man. We're taking the whole street. Look here. Kill him. Passenger dead. Driver dead. Oh God, police are come. Police are come, bro. Need a car, we need a car, we need a car. We need a car, bro. Follow Lamar. Lamar, where you go? Whoa. Whoa. Take out the police then, quick. Knockings. Ha! Naga dead, naga dead, naga dead. Ha, run. Run. One more shot and I'm dead. Jump off. Quick. Oh, that was close. Yo. One more shot and I'm dead, dog. Look at my life. Give me boat. Take your hand and give me boat, man. Not cold. Yeah, I'm gonna put a long thing. Ride out. Leave. Let go. Oh. On to them. Hey, who that? How are you, man? Yeah, I'm gonna shoot. Wanna shoot him. I concentrate on my thing. Oh, I have to go shoot. It's only right for me shoot though. You can't go no further. You can't go no further. Oh, police helicopter. Oh God. Oh God. Chopper, just chill now. Chopper, just chill. Just chill. Just tell him say you never see it, Chopper. Just tell him say you never see it. Tell him say you never see it, Chopper. Go on back in the base now. Deluded, yes? Oh, me I go. 3 stars. And Chopper. Oh, this don't look good. This don't look good, brother. Yeah, we are racing away from the youth. They're trying to kill you and the police too. Where we go? Where we go? Talk to me now. Talk to me now. Oh, you're out. Don't we go? Ah! Don't crash. Lamar. Alright, Lamar. You lead the way. Oh, you know where you go. I don't know where you go. Police helicopter right over way now.
We ain't gonna lose the cops on these things.
Yeah, man. Shit, we need to get to land.
Oh, who this guy running, sir? Please don't tell me say Trevor. So what the helicopter after me alone? Up there. Jump up.
Up here, man. Come on.
Oh! Gone. Where Chopper there? Need to lose a Chopper here. Where you go? Police are drop out like fly. Whoa, get a car. Jump in that car, but escape. You idiot. Tell some more police are come. Idiot, but escape. Escape where? But take on what? Oh God, one car part this. So we look nice tonight. Oh God. Oh, we are gonna escape them police and now in another car with a boy.
Get the meaning of self-defense.
Officer, it all started when they didn't have the kilo of cocaine we pre-ordered.
Man, I guess that ain't gonna fly.
The officer them all started with we never have the kilo of cocaine we order. Yo, John, man, I put a boy an idiot in the dog. Where me I go, man?
Shit, I'll take whatever I can get.
Yeah. Yo, the Chopper, yeah. We need to go back in the sewer and try to lose them boy in a brother car. Boy! Police. Oh, no, black with on one side. Bye. Oh, no, go like some can't drive on the side, yeah. Big and fool.
We gotta lose this heat, bro.
Oh, we are gonna lose it. Oh, we are gonna lose it. Oh! Why? Man. We need the next car. The carrier too slow, dog. Trevor, you can't stop shooting now, no, brother. You're a fault. Watch him. Oh! Oh, Chuck! Big Chuck! Oh, God, Chuck, you couldn't... Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Next car. Next car. Trevor, come. Trevor, forward, Trevor. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Trevor, hurry up, my man. Trevor, hurry up, my man. Ah! Just make it. Yo. Trevor, you have to move faster than that, my G. You have to move faster than that, my G. Oh! 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 What happened? Oh, God. People don't get so. Oh, God. Oh, suspect crash my vehicle long time, brother. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, lose them police at. 3-star. Oh, my God, lose them. Oh, God. Oh, God. Well, Lamar gone, though. Lamar, cause one of this now. Lamar. Oh, God. Oh, God. Yo, stop shooting on my fam. Just make the police them. Just stop shooting, dog. Please, just stop shooting, brother. Just stop shooting, dog. Please. I beg you, stop shooting. Cause we are doing foolishness. Stop shooting. Alright. I don't know which one I go, but I go somewhere. In a saw. Go in a saw. Oh, God. I wonder if I did end this. Alright, come on to the next side. Driving skills. Driving. Oh, I'm going to pass off. Oh, no. No. One police up there. Oh, God. Oh, God. Lamar, you see it? That's why I come out of the ghetto left for now. Because all of the down there, I try to drag down people. We don't know. Me telling you, say, yo, I have my new house uptown. I have my new life. Me no want nothing we do no bridging.
Hey, this how it work for you.
Me outgrow, you know. Because we not go nowhere in life. I only do I see something. You see it? We could have dead tonight.
You guys ever get calm? You know, things like that. Cause it seems like every time we go out, man, dudes trying to get over on us.
We could have dead tonight, dog.
Bro, you're relying on the criminal element being
Thanks to Trevor.
That's pathetic.
And him inquisitiveness.
It's rich.
Big words. Big words. Hashtag big words. Inquisitiveness. Inquisitively. Yeah. You're too inquisitive. But it worked out for me. In that time I do. So that's good. That's good. No, but Lamar, listen.
Beer's as good as anywhere, bro. Just drop me off.
Lamar, listen.
So, look, man, I guess we know each other now, right?
That we do, bro. I'll see ya.
Lamar, listen, brother. That's why we end up in we end up. Lamar, listen, dog. For the person who are telling me say we have a Jamaican radio station, me know, but me can't listen to our music while recording because of copyright strike, and YouTube is very funny when it comes to the copyright strike. So me just for a peaceful life, me just turn off the radio completely. You see me? For a peaceful life, me just turn off the radio. Oh, something going on here, so. I jump down there now. I jump down there. Suicide, but I jump down there. I can't mother figure on. Jump down there. Oh, ready? Steady. I'm okay.
That crazy motherfucker Lamar hasn't got you killed yet?
No.
No.
You must
Still
be.
there.
It's always slack.
He's a fool, bro.
Sometimes.
Anyway, talking of fools, what would you say if I told you some fools I knew were running a little racing competition? And as luck would have it, they got this really beautiful silver medal with your name on it.
I say go fuck yourself.
Bronze medal then?
Funny motherfucker.
So what I do now? Get in a car. Alright, cool. I'm a car there. No car in there, so dog. Get in a car. I'm forgetting a car in there. This. We got a wicked boy here, dog. Got a wicked boy here, brother. Go to the racing at this. Me can't racing at this, dog. Me can't racing at this. Want a car before I reach there. You know what? At this time, give me. Something I go racing at, see me. Just try not to mash up by the time I reach over there. Please don't give me some. Look on feet. Look on the car them there, so. Look on me racing now.
Alright then.
Alright. Nyam boy food. Nyam boy food. Nyam boy food. Nyam. Oh, brakes. Oh.
Something alright, yeah.
Oh! No! Me dey back. Me dey back like oxide. Oh! Come on. Hey, somebody crash. Hello. Hi. Bye. No. Him cheat. Why you do that? Alright. Don't look up enough. Alright. We can do it too. Round there. Now go crash again when I use this. Me now crash again. I take every corner good now. Now crash again, I crash. Jesus Christ.
What the hell are you doing?
Oh, you do that, my youth. Watch that. No, people. No, don't laugh. No, please, don't laugh. Please, me beg you. Me no want to laugh in the comment section. Me no want to laugh in, please. Me no want to laugh in the comment section. Me no want to laughing, because this not funny no more. Like this beyond funny now, dog. Like, oh, brother. This not right. Joke this. Ha! Oh, I'm lose. Yo, me not play this again. My youth. Man, them set me up, brother. Look at the man. Everybody finishing the dog. Everybody finishing up. I'm alone there, you know. Watch out. My food getting yam. Them yam my food. You see them yam my food, people? Huh. Yeah, go on with this. God. Why you stop this for a while ago, dog? People, this was the worst race of my life. Literally the worst race of my life. The amount of time I crash. And I can't even blame it on the car, because the car is quite fast. The car is quite good. Because at one point, a 2 lap. Oh God. Alright, try to concentrate. That not gonna work. That will never happen. Concentrate. Check me can name them food. Catch back. Oh God, that's the second time I crash, I say now. The first time I somebody let me know. How did we can catch him up back, dog? Oh, okay. Alright. Me just crash us too. And turn over. And they are back like oxide. Okay. Look on my car. Chris White. Chris. Just come out of the showroom. Chris. Car Chris. Yo. Look at. Me never finish. It didn't win. It didn't finish. Now try it again. And try actually break this time. Use a break this time. Come on, let's go. That Cara for that yellow Cara, him lick me a while ago, see?
Are you crazy?
Hey. No, excuse me, man. Cha! 2 corner, boom, lick up. I joke this, brother. Yo, me not play this again. Me not do it again. If me lose that one, I reach me, I go lose. Me not play it again. Sorry, me not play it again. This I go waste my time. Like, racing is not my strong point. Driving is not my strong point. Yeah, not racing. Driving, pan a hole is not my strong point. I'm not afraid of telling you that. Me tell you that every day. I don't know that. Me pass somebody. Yes, me feel. Oh God, him pass me back. And let me too. Oh, that never lasts long. What? Me can shoot them? Yeah. Me can shoot them. Shoot them with a race in the dog. I have to do something before something to me, no brother. I have to do something before something do me right now, cause this thing where I go on, it's not right, brother. Hey! Don't look up and nothing steady, you know. Run there. Alright. Concentrate, I can see the whole heap of brake light. Please! Oh, thanks. Oh, gosh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes, break up. Alright, that never so bad. What I do? What am I going to do that? What I can't just go around me without touch me? Oh gosh. Yo, my heart there, my mouth, brethren, because I know I carry the beer. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh, you shitting me, right?
No, I'm not. I don't know what happened this so. I don't know what happened this a while ago. Yo, I can't deal with this. Like, literally can't deal with this, yo, dog. Yo, but don't bitch it. Yo, how me fi deal with this? This hour? Watch out. Oh, excuse me. Jesus Christ, you really crashed that one. The sound with the ones keep going. Yo. Me come first from last. So at least me still come first. Me come first from last, so me still come first. There you know, you can't trick me. Me still come first. First from last. There's nobody behind me, look. Nobody behind me. Did he even finish? Me never finish again. Me not play it. Me not play that one. Me not play it. Me not do it again. Hey, but I will come back to that one at a later date. Me not do that one there. Sorry, but no, me not do it. Alright. Wriggle time, people. Wriggle time. So they don't know me if I come out of the car if you go in a wriggle. So I'm looking at my face. Alright. So the wriggle is what goes up a chimney down but won't go up a chimney up. What goes up a chimney down but won't go up a chimney up. You see it? Yeah. What go up a chimney down but it can't go up a chimney up. Car. Ambulance over here, sir. I go see if I go feed. Yeah. What goes up a chimney down but not a chimney but don't go up a chimney up. Leave your answer down below. Who you man?
Man, you suck.
Hey! Hey, wait, miss, come again. At two. Move. Knock out him. Knock him out. Yeah. Want this. See there now? Me beat you now, so this is my one. Thank you. I thank you. Bye. Police are coming up quick now. Thank you. So guys, make sure you answer the wriggle in the comment section as usual, and the first 5 person get it, definitely get a shout out. Anybody who's close after will get the shout out as well, like me do in another video. Yeah. So guys, yeah, go answer the wriggle. People, as you can see, in our ambulance, but I have to do something before I go home. So basically, the police them they take away one of my car. I go over the feet. I go thief my car and go in my yard, go put back my car. Come in, know what then? I go over here, sir.
No getaway car. I cannot believe this. I cannot.
Robbery gone over here. Robbery gone over here.
Come back in a car we can fit.
Robbery gone over here. That no make no sense. What not do?
Dealing with those punks. The police do nothing around here.
Alright. You're welcome. Take up your money. You want to take up your money? Alright, me take it up. Thank you. Yeah. That me there for. Deal with them punk here. Keep me rampant people. No petty crime in my city, man. I'm alone for do petty crime, boy. Yeah. I mean, I do none. So, only enough to do none. Although I just take the ambulance still, but that's not petty crime. But I just need it. Me need it for drive. Yeah, me need it to get away. Me need it. So, and a petty crime that. So, no can cost me for that. So, better not allow me. So, like me say, I go back for my car from the police. Cause them they take it without my consent and them have it down at them station. So Muhammad my car, brother. When me carry the fam. Huh? Someone have to pay. Alright, me pay. Me pay. Oh, the carrier! People see me carry the police them take quite long. Oh, remember when me first get all who the day when time I first get that carrier, leave a like and comment down below and tell me which part me did get that carrier from, if you remember the episode where that carrier did first appear in a. Yeah, all who remember that carrier, please let me know which part you remember it from, because a long time the police have that carrier, you know. Long time now. Get my carrier back though. 250, that's not too bad. I couldn't thief it because the door did lock, so I have to pay. Which is alright. It's alright. It's alright. Watch it. Ratchet. Ratchet. Ratchet yacht. Ratchet yacht. Yeah, get on my car. I got my yard. Alright, people. Please remember to answer the Riddle in the comment section. And don't cheat. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. I'm want to say big up to everybody who get them credit. Big up to everybody who get them credit on live. Like me say earlier on, I go do more of that credit something there. Give back to Uno, because that is my way of saying thank you. So the last people them will get credit. Don't think say Uno go get more credit again for now. Give other people a chance as well to get some credit too. You understand? So yeah, don't think say Uno go come here every weekend and win to get Riddle. No work so. Me I try and make it fair as possible. You understand? So yeah, big up on yourself. And please remember to go over Axie IG and wait for him video to go up. And subscribe to him channel. Also, the link is in the description. People wanna notice. Me no crash one time yet. You know what I mean? Me no crash one time yet. Me no crash one time. Taxi, go on, come on, crash in here, and then people that start laugh after me, cause as me thought me crash. Me no crash one time, people. From me drive that carrier. See me tell you, say, are the carrier them bad? Are the carrier them bad, you know? I know me bad. What this I do, sir? Who for carry this? Who come left them carrier, sir, by the way? That more I know. Open sesame. Me need to change the carrier color yato. So who for carry this? I'm not carry sir. I don't mind carry that. Anyway, I'm gonna big up Chop. I'm going Chop, you good? You good? Think good there? Alright, yeah, me just want to say a good Chop. So people, I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, guys, please be careful out there. Please, if you can't be good, be lucky. If you haven't got nothing good to say, don't say nothing sometime. You hear that? So I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.